Welcome to the online class. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope all of you are good. Today we will start the chapter 13 and the name is Natural Resources. To discuss about this, here is Muhammad Abu Naim, Assistant Teacher, National Ideal Version School. Dear students, keep your concentration in the class. Hope you'll enjoy. Now open your book and go to page 89. Chapter 13 Natural Resources. We can find many things around us. All these things can be classified into natural things and man made things. Man made things are also made by using natural resources. What types of resources do we have? Dear students, look at the picture. Here are some resources. Some of them are natural and some of them are man made. Now, find yourself which are natural and which are man made. Now go to page 90. Resources are something that can be used by people for support or help. Resources can be classified into two types: natural resources and man made resources. Natural resources. Natural resources is a resource found in nature that people can use to meet their needs. People cannot make natural resources. Sunlight, soil, water, air, plants, and animals are natural resources. Minerals and fossil fuel are also natural resources. Natural resources provide us with food, clothing, shelter, and energy. Man-made resources. Man-made resources is a resource that is made by people. Paper, plastic, glass, and electricity are examples of man-made resources. Man-made resources also come from nature. People use the trees to make new things. Trees are cut down to make timber to build houses. We can also change trees into paper. Nobody makes the sand. It is found naturally in the environment. People use the sand to make glass. Man-made resources are also used to create other man-made resources. Here in the picture we can see these glasses we use in our household work, and it is made of sand, and house is made from a tree. Dear students, now go to page 91. Wise use of natural resources. People depend on natural resources to make new things and produce energy. The demand for natural resources is increasing as the human population is growing, but some natural resources, especially oil, coal, and natural gas, are limited. Therefore, people have to find alternative resources and the good ways to use natural resources wisely. Dear students, here we are using natural gas in our home. In every single family or in our country are using natural gas, which is extracted from the underground, and we use petroleum or oil as fuel, which is extracted like that from the ground of the earth. And here he is mining the coal under the soil of the earth, and he put it on this, and with a lift it is take on the ground, and from there it is distributed in other places of the country. Dear students, if we use these natural resources unwisely, or if we waste these resources once, this will be end up and we cannot find them to use in our life. That means the earth will be exhausted one day. So we should think about alternative resources. Now, what will be the alternative resources? Let's see. Alternative resources. Oil, coal, and natural gas are non renewable resources. They cannot be replaced for millions of years once used up. On the other hand, renewable resources can be replaced or reused. Therefore, renewable resources can be used as alternative resources. We can use sunlight, wind, and water as renewable resources because they are unlimited in the world. The sunlight is an important and unlimited energy resource. People use solar panels to get electrical energy from the sunlight. Here, from the sun, the sunlight or sun rays falls on the solar panel, and the solar panel can turn the light energy into electrical energy. Now from there we can use the energy. Here, wind is another alternative energy resource. When the wind turns the blades of a wind turbine, electricity is produced. Dear students, there is another energy resource which is renewable, and that is water current or water flow. And look at the picture. When water is flowing through the canal, it can turns the blade of the turbine. Then this moving turbine run the generator. From generator, we can get electric energy. Wise use of natural resources. It is very important to use natural resources wisely for conserving natural resources. We can conserve natural resources by using less energy, reusing and recycling things. Conserving natural resources help us reducing environmental pollution gradually. Dear students, now I am showing you some sample questions here, and I have taken these questions from your sheet or books, and there might be some another questions in your sheet. I hope all of you will memorize these questions. Dear students, I think this is the simplest and smallest chapter of your book, but it is important. So, dear students, hope you will give same emphasis as other chapters you do. That's all for today. Inshallah, see you again in my next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.